Welcome back to Bike Hub, your go-to destination for the latest updates in the world of two-wheelers. Today, we are diving deep into the future of urban mobility with one of the most anticipated electric scooters of the year, the 2025 Ather 450X. With its sleek design, smart features, and powerful performance, this EV is not just a scooter, it's a revolution on two wheels. Whether you're an eco-conscious rider or just love cutting-edge tech, the Ather 450X is worth your attention. Ather's journey so far. Before we jump into the 2025 model, let's quickly look at Ather's journey. Founded in 2013, Ather Energy has rapidly grown from a promising startup to one of India's most innovative electric vehicle manufacturers. The 450 series, particularly the 450X, has been Ather's flagship, combining performance with smart features tailored for Indian roads. Over the years, Ather has continued to evolve, and the 2025 version of the 450X brings even more to the table. Design and build quality. At first glance, the 2025 Ather 450X retains the futuristic design language that fans have come to love. But look closer, and you'll notice refinements that enhance both aesthetics and function. The body panels now come with a more aerodynamic structure, reducing drag and improving efficiency. Ather has introduced new color schemes for 2025, such as Cosmic Black, Stellar Grey, and Lunar Blue, which add a premium vibe to the overall design. The fit and finish are top-notch. With high-quality plastics, a more robust frame, and IP67 rated components, the 450X feels solid and reliable. The LED headlamp, DRLs, and taillight are sharper, offering better visibility and style. It's clear that Ather has paid attention to the smallest details in this refresh. Performance and motor specifications. Under the hood, or rather, under the floorboard, the 2025 Ather 450X is powered by a 6.4 kW PMSM motor, which delivers peak torque of 26 Nm. This results in a thrilling acceleration, propelling the scooter from 0 to 40 km/h in just 3.3 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 90 km/h, making it ideal for city commuting with occasional highway sprints. The motor performance is complemented by 5 riding modes: Eco, Ride, Sport, Boat, and the new Smart Eco mode, which dynamically adjusts power output based on real-time riding patterns and terrain. Battery and range. One of the major highlights of the 2025 Ather 450X is its 3.9 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, offering a certified range of up to 155 km on a single charge. In real-world conditions, riders can expect between 110 to 120 km, depending on the riding mode and traffic conditions. Charging is more convenient than ever. With the Ather Grid 2.0 fast charging network, you can juice up the battery to 80% in just 40 minutes. Home charging through the Ather Dot takes about 5 hours and 45 minutes for a full charge. Riding dynamics. The 450X has always been known for its agile handling, and the 2025 version improves upon that with better weight distribution and a stiffer chassis. The telescopic front forks and monoshock rear suspension provide a smooth ride over potholes and speed bumps. Smart features and connectivity. Here's where the Ather 450X truly stands apart: its smart features. The 2025 model is equipped with a 7-inch TFT touchscreen dashboard, powered by a new Snapdragon processor for faster UI response. The display offers turn-by-turn navigation, music control, call alerts, and real-time ride statistics. Safety and reliability. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ather 450X. The scooter now includes auto hold, which prevents it from rolling backward on slopes. There's also a fall-safe feature that detects if the scooter has toppled and automatically cuts off power supply. The battery pack is AIS 156 certified, ensuring thermal stability and high crash resilience. Ather has also included a new regenerative braking system that not only conserves energy but also aids in controlled deceleration during downhill rides. Cost of ownership and maintenance. Owning an electric scooter like the Ather 450X is surprisingly economical. With running costs as low as 20 paise per kilometer, you'll save a lot compared to traditional petrol scooters. Plus, Ather offers a 5-year battery warranty and optional service subscriptions that cover periodic maintenance, software updates, and insurance. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Ather 450X comes in two main variants, the Standard and the Pro. The Standard variant starts at 1.35 lakh rupees ex-showroom, while the Pro variant with all smart features and performance upgrades is priced at around 1.55 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Thanks to FAME2 subsidies and additional state-level benefits, the on-road price may be even more attractive depending on your location. EMI plans and battery subscription models are also available to make ownership easier. Final verdict. The 2025 Ather 450X continues to raise the bar for electric scooters in India. With bold upgrades in performance, smarter features, better range, and growing support infrastructure, Ather has made it clear that the future of mobility is electric and it's already here. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, ride safe and stay charged.